Mga langga, ngayon ay money na at monetize na yung channel namin. Salamat talaga sa mega, mega todo support nyo sa 5 p.m. Online Jam. Kami ni Kuya Badjo ninyo at si Ate Ray ninyo talaga nagpapasalamat ng bonggang-bongga sa loob ng pitong araw na ito ng after we got monetized. Salamat talaga sa mga nagpapalipad, nagpapakulay ng aming kada concert sa walang todong sawang suporta sa amin. Ito na po, i-mega shoutout ko lang mga nagpalipad sa atin gabi-gabi simula nung we got monetized and up to this very day. Ate Mercy, salamat. Mami Herms, Constantino, Tito Gray, Jem F, Buhay OFW. Ayan si Tita Mel Conde, salamat. Arch Vlog, and John Pringles Canada Vlog, langga salamat. Thank you. iCube Official na isang Bisaya din from Las Vegas. Prince Chubby 88, thank you very much. And then Arjit Yongson, thank you. Super Bombshell Erica, thank you. And she Coast Channel, thank you. And FC Kalma 1, thank you. And Sir Damli Cairo, thank you langga. Emmy's Vlog, thank you. And Kuya Jerry Sumagi, thank you very much. And napasugod ng brigada. And of course, Sylvia Montola, Kitty VG Pin from Hong Kong langga, thank you. And then si Ate Janet Nolan Channel, thank you very much. Go Franks Laag from Ireland. Thank you, Kuya. And Kuya Ball Life, this is Alvin Alterado, nagpalipad. Thank you very much. Donya Agata from Utah, thank you very much. And of course, si Kapipi TV from Turks and Caicos, thank you very much. Nelio from Dubai, thank you very much. And Maku Vlog, thank you sa mga palipad moment. Jen Casanes, thank you. And of course, si Big Lad Free DIY and Friends. Thank you. And of course, isang Bisaya si Jessica Bailey Duncan from New York. Thank you. Sia's Channel from Taiwan. Thank you. Ella's Foodie, thank you very much sa mga palipad. Javin Tutorial, thank you. Langga. And of course, si Niski TV, hindi mawawala yan. Thank you. And of course, si Suak Kim, si Nal O'Nal, si Ate Sonia, thank you very much. And sa Summer Jigon, hindi mawawala. Thank you. And Prince Chavi 88, Park Marriage Home, thank you langga. And of course, Dance ng Moscow, thank you Ate Dance, Nal Onal, DXN Italy Capture from Italy, thank you Kuya sa walang sawang suporta. Of course, si Inday Kuripot na nagpalipad din at na-monetize na rin, thank you. Si Kapipi TV, andyan nakikita ko pa rin. Andyan si Beng Paul, thank you langga sa palipad. Ako si Ring, thank you langga sa mga palipad moments. Of course, Daniel X, GD, thank you. And MS Vlog, Apollonia Channel, thank you. Shirton Vlog, thank you very much. And this is Ate Evan Limay from New York, thank you very much sa mga palipad moments. Si Precious Griffin USA, ayan, from Pennsylvania, thank you. And sino pa mga nandito? Jenny Sorco, ayan, from Wisconsin, thank you very much talaga ate. And si Gian's Vlog lang, thank you very much. Super sa mag-support sa amin. Dito pa si Rhymes 4.3 from Malaysia. Thank you langga. Thank you very much. At si ito pa si Carissa Ang Vlogs. Thank you so much. Thank you. Sino pa dito mga palipad? Dahil tinitingnan ko ang aking goodigo. Si Kuya Usapang Pera TV, hindi mawawala yan, of course. At si Miko Chan Vlog, nagpalipad din sa atin. Walang Mami Ben Carbonell, of course, na isang ano din, na isang ang kanyang charity is for the dogs. Ay, yung channel pala, okay? And Alj Mason, nagpahabol talaga. Thank you very much, Alj, sa todo support na from the start up to the finish. And Chanik TV, thank you, Chanik TV. Super sa mega shout out mo at sa super duper support mo kay Ate Rain at Kuya Badjo. Salamat muli sa mga nagpalipad sa amin. Salamat. Kung may na-miss out man ako, sorry. But we're always grateful and thankful to each and every one of you dito sa 5 p.m. Online Jam. Dahil kung wala kayo, nako, hindi talaga wala ang 5 p.m. Online Jam dito sa YT. Salamat ng marami sa mega support niyo sa amin. Okay? Thank you, and God bless everyone. More blessings, and thank you for sharing your blessings to us. God bless you more, and ingat palagi. We love you. Thank you. Bye.